Your workout number 28 looks fun. It's 3 rounds for the warm-up. You'll do a 1-minute jog or like a 200 if you have that marked out. 15 air squats, and then a 20-second hollow hold, and then a 20-second Superman hold. So you'll do this 3 times, and then you'll move into the dumbbell-specific warm-up. So you'll do 6 alternating dumbbell deadlifts. That's just with 1 dumbbell. You can use the one that you're going to use for the workout. If you have more like multiple weights, you can start with a lighter weight if you want for your warm-up and then work into what you're going to use for the workout. But if you only have the one, just go for it. 6 alternating dumbbell hang cleans, so that's coming from the hip to the shoulder. And then on this one, you don't have to alternate. You'll just get 3 push jerks on the right arm and then 3 push jerks on the left arm. And then you'll put these all together and you'll do 6 alternating dumbbell hang clean and jerks. If you are like, I don't remember which one's which, watch the demo videos for some demos. Okay, so the workout's a little bit longer one. It's like right under 30 minutes, but you're working for a time and then resting for a time. So you're doing 10 sets and you have a 1 minute and 45 second window. So timer starts, you start with 30 jumping air squats, 30 alternating V-ups, and say that takes you like a minute. You have 45 seconds left to do max alternating dumbbell hang clean and jerks, and that's what you're counting for your score. So you just got to get through these movements, but they don't count toward your score. This is what you're counting. So you'll do that, see how many you can get. The clock hits a minute 45, and then you'll rest for a minute and 15 seconds. That brings you to 3 minutes total. So a round equals 3 minutes, but you're only working for a minute 45 and resting for a minute 15. And you're doing that 10 times. What you're trying to do is get each set, the target number of reps that you're trying to hit is 15 or more. So that's, again, just counting these dumbbell hang clean and jerks. But with whatever weight dumbbell you choose, again, typically the 50-pound for the men, the 35-pound for the women, you should be able to at least get 8 before you should have scaled. So if it takes you a little bit too long to get through this, and say you only have like 20 seconds left, and then you're like trying to get your dumbbell hang clean and jerks and you only get like 4 of them, the weight's probably too heavy. Another thing is this is probably taking you too long. So what a good way to scale is drop it to 20 reps. So this would be a good way to scale it to finish getting that number of reps per set. So instead of the 30s, you would just do 20 jumping air squats, 20 alternating V-ups, and then you would do as many dumbbell clean and jerks as you could in the rest of the time. So when you guys are warming up and everything, you'll be able to see how these movements feel. I would say even if you're unsure, you're like, I think I can do the 30 and 30 and still get 15 reps in the set, do the first round, what you think you can do, and then if you didn't hit 15, I would say start dropping to 20, and then finish out the workout with 20. 10 sets is a lot of sets, so the jumping air squats are going to get hard, the V-ups are going to get hard. Try to just stay at a consistent pace and focus on moving smoothly. So that's the workout. There'll be 10 blanks in Wodify for you guys to put in each individual set rep number. And then for the cool down, you'll do a minute on each side forearm smash. So this is kind of like when you guys had the cool down with the rolling out on the lacrosse ball on the bottom of your foot. You can use a lacrosse ball for this. If you are fortunate enough to have a barbell at your house, use a barbell to do it. That's like a lot more of a smash. If you have a foam roller, you can use on a foam roller. If you don't have any of those things, you can use a can of beans, a little water bottle, something, just rolling out your forearms. Then you'll do a forearm stretch on each side. Then you'll do a minute on each side quad smash. Same thing. If you have a foam roller, that works great. If you have a barbell, that works great. If you don't have any of those things, you can use a rolling pin. If you guys have a rolling pin at your house, that's a great quad smasher. And then you'll finish with a minute on each side of a pigeon pose. And then you're done for the day.